Hello, this is Mrs. Fontanes. Today I'm going to be showing you how to put your, say, a worksheet or quiz alongside the PowerPoint. This way you can look at the PowerPoint and your sheet, the quiz at the same time. I'll show you. Well, first we're going to go to our classwork. And we're going to cover what we did today, or I'll show you what we used today. Today being Thursday, the 8th of October. So we're on the classwork page and go down to where it says Cell Structure Worksheet. And this is the worksheet that we're using to review for our quiz. The quiz is going to be on cell structure. So I'm going to click this open. And notice right next to this tab over here, right next to the classwork tab, you have the cell structure tab right next door. Let's go back to the classwork tab. Now we're going to select Cell Structure PowerPoint. Now you can see that these two are side by side, which is all right, but you know what? There's something better. You can pick either one, doesn't matter. But what you're going to do is you're going to press and hold down the mouse, and you're going to drag this down. I'll show you. So I'm pressing down now, and I'm going to drag it. See what happened? I pulled it out. Now it's, you see up here, you don't see any other tabs open. That's okay. What you're going to do is, you see this here? You can hardly see it, but it's there. It's a square. Press on that square and it makes it smaller. Now, let's look at this tab. Remember, it has the PowerPoint. I want you to go up to that corner where the squares are again, and you're going to click on that. Now you can see they're both small. And then if I press the cursor here, okay, I can move it around. I can do the same thing for this, move it around, so that they will be side by side. Whoops, messed that up. Let me do that again. What happened is I made it big. Anyway, I can put it here. Sorry, I'll put it over here. And I'll have this here. There you go. Now they're side by side. So now I can work on this quiz. I'm going to move it over a little. Trying to move it over. Here we go. Move it over. Just so it's within the picture of the video, okay? All right, here we go. Now I'm ready. Okay? So my name, all right, what's my name? All right. Okay. And I take period 4, whatever period you're in, okay? All right, this way I know who has done the assignment. So you must have your first and last name, your father's last name. All right. Now it says is found in the cytoplasm of a eukaryotic cell, but is not found in the cytoplasm of a prokaryotic cell. Gosh, what could that be? Well, do this. You can scroll to find the answer. Okay? Once you find the answer, there's 2 places. Here's one. DNA is in the nucleus. Organelles distinguish prokaryotes from eukaryotes. Structures only found in eukaryotic cells that perform specific functions. Well, here we go. The nucleus contains genetic material. Okay, this is very specific or unique to eukaryotes. And also we can find it elsewhere in here. Another space that will have it will be over here when we're talking about eukaryotes. And all eukaryotes have a nucleus. Organelles, okay? Nucleus, unique to eukaryotic cells. So there are many places to find this information. All right, so that's the whole purpose of today's PowerPoint, is to let you know how to put this side by side, and depending on which class you're in, let's see, tomorrow I think is periods 5 through 8, so that means tomorrow those classes are going to have the quiz on this PowerPoint, okay? Cell structure is going to be for tomorrow. Otherwise, periods 1 through 4 on Monday, they will be having the quiz. So I suggest please read through this, because when you read through all of this, then you understand it, then you know where to find that information. Okay, so this is due today, October 8th, Thursday, due by 11:58.